Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Calculus Academy. I know you all are very much excited about the new GATE 2021 exam changes what all are happened here. So I'm here to give you the relevant details about all those things. So let's move. Let's watch what are the important updates and changes in GATE 2021. This is the notification regarding GATE examination 21 and the notification released by 14th September and it will end by 30th September. So to avoid the last minute chaos, please do it at the priority and the earliest before 30th September. And the online registry, they have given an extended period from 30th September to 7th October. Between this period, they have given an extension. At that time, if you're paying the fees, you will have to pay some extra charges. Then the examination days are Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday of the February. 1st and 2nd, Friday, Saturday, Sundays. That is 5, 6, 7, 12, 13 and 14. And the result will be announced by 22nd March. So many changes are there. So additionally, they have included two main subjects, that is environmental science ES and humanities and social science XH, along with the 25 papers, and now it became 27 papers. Why this is included? Because it is giving more opportunities to the humanities as well as commerce students as well. And also environmental science means if they have done the MS environmental science, they also can apply in this session. And previous many topics from the syllabus has been removed in order to reduce the pressure from the candidates, and also new topics which are very relevant it is introduced, and the syllabus became holistic in nature and it covers various aspects of the subject. Discuss chances to new students of commerce and humanities. Then now the major change is that one paper, before that only one candidate can occur one paper, but now it became given some relaxation, that is we can opt for two paper also, but we have to give additional charge because one paper cost is given there and you have to give accordingly the cost of two papers if you want to apply for two papers. And the third year students also can apply. Those who are studying in the engineering course, they also can apply. And 3-year validity is there for the GATE score. And the most important change is that not only MCQs and NATs. MCQ means multiple choice question, NAT means numerical answer type question. It is newly introduced that MSQ, that is multiple select question, is also introduced. What is multiple select question? If 1, 2, 3, 4 option is there, 1 and 3 option both are correct. So we have to mark not only 1, not only 3, we have to mark both 1 and 3. Then only we will get mark. But the major thing is that in MCQ only there will be negative mark, and in MSQ and in NAT we will not have any negative. So what are the uses of this GATE score actually? So for the admission of MTech or ME or PhD or research courses in the renowned institutions like IIT, NIT or any other institution, we can use this GATE score, as well as for getting jobs in PSUs like ONGC, NTPC, IOCL, BHEL, DRDO, etc. selecting through the GATE score actually. These are the description of the eligibility of the candidates given here. From here we can understand that third year candidates also can apply. And these are the codes and the relevant codes of the second paper as well, it is given here. So you can understand by this. These are the, as first only I said that we can opt for two papers as well. Two papers along with the compulsory primary paper. So primary paper will be compulsory. Along with each, it is not regarding your option. They have given for, with each primary paper which examination code paper we can select, it is mentioned here. These are the relevant codes of the primary subjects. Now the fees regarding for female candidate up to 30th September if you are paying, you have to give 750 rupees, and in the extended time, I have said before that between 30th September and 7th October, they have to give an additional pay, that is 1250. So the relevant fees and criteria as it is mentioned here. And the mark distribution. So all the courses except these 4 courses have the same criteria, that is GA questions is compulsory, that is for 15 marks, that is 5 questions of 1 mark, that is total 5 mark, and 5 questions of 2 mark, that is 10. So the total will be 15 marks. So 15 mark GA questions will be there. And for the subjective questions, 25 questions of 1 mark each, so the total will be 25, and 30 questions of 2 mark each, that is 60, so 85. So 85 and 15 together will comprise to form 100 marks. And the questions include, as I said before, MCQ, multiple choice question, and it have negative mark. If the question is of 1 mark, the negative will be 1/3. If the question is of 2 mark, the negative will be 2/3. And for MSQ as well as NAT questions, there will be no negative marking. CG, I said now before, we will explain it. Geology and geophysics. These 4 courses have separate distribution of marks. So GA is compulsory everywhere, 15 marks. That is same thing, 5 question of 1 mark and 5 question of 2 mark. Additionally, Part A and Part B they have to attend. Part A is compulsory, it is 25 marks of 1 mark each, 25, and plus they have to select any one among geology as well as geophysics. So any person who is having more command over geology, they can select geology, as well as geophysics, they can select geophysics. So that is the most important things in the GATE 2021. So 25 and 30 questions of 2 mark, that is 60. So here also became the total 85, and 85 plus 15 altogether 100 marks. And section this 1 or 2, at the time of registration only you have to select wisely which section I can attend and for scoring good marks. Next is engineering science. So here also GA question is compulsory and mark distribution is same. And here section A is engineering maths, that is also compulsory. 7 questions of 1 mark and 4 questions of 2 marks, total 15 marks. And section B, out of this B to H section questions, they will be giving you at the time of examination. You have to select wisely which among the 2 B, C, D, E, F, G, H, out of that which is the most easiest question to score high mark, you have to select accordingly any 2 sections. So each contain 35 marks. So B to H, any 2 question paper, any 2 sections, it will contain 35 marks, and already GA question 15 is there and mathematics 15 is there. So the total will again become 100. Next, humanities and social sciences, the new one which is included here. GA is compulsory for 15 mark, and section B1, it is very compulsory, reasoning and compulsory. So these 2 are compulsory, no option is available, and it is of 25 marks, that is 5 question of 1 mark and 10 question of 2 mark. So next is section 2. Here any one section you have to. So here at the registration time you have to select which section is comfortable for you out of the C1 to C6. And everything is given in the detailed GATE notification 2021 in the GATE site. As well, I will give the link in the description below. Anyone you can select, and 20 question of 1 mark and 20 question of 2 marks, so total 60. So 60 plus 25 plus 15, again 100 marks will be there. And the last one is life science. Here also GA question is compulsory, that means aptitude question is compulsory. Section P, chemistry is also compulsory here. There is 5 question of 1 mark and 10 question of 2 mark, that is 25 marks. Section B, any 2 sections, same way we have to select at the time of examination. Wisely you have to select out of the questions Q to U, which one is suitable for you, you can select. So it contains 30 mark each. Out of the Q to U session, you can select any 2, that is 30 marks each. Then GA 15 and chemistry 25. So again together total you will have the 100 marks. Now there is option to select two papers that I have said. So how they are going to give you the marks, that also you need to know. So suppose if I am civil engineering, so I will select only one paper, that is only I will select one paper, that is civil engineering. But if you have more command over environmental sciences, or if somebody have done the MSc Environmental Science, they can select civil engineering as primary subject, as well as core subject they can select the environmental science. So the gate score of the they are doing the normalization of the marks. So accordingly there is an equation given here. So they will select accordingly to that. So don't want to worry about for selecting the two papers. So out of the 1.1% of the candidate average mark, considering all those only, they will give the gauge score by normalizing the marks by those candidates who select the two paper option. Next is our general gauge score. It is based on the equation that already we know how they are putting the gauge score. And the gate result will be having the validity of 3 years from the date of announcement of the results. And you have to take the printout within 1 month only. After that, it will not be available in the site also. You can appear for many of the doubt, that is what is the age criteria. No age criteria, no upper limit and no lower limit is there. Only you have the qualification, you have to satisfy the qualification, and you can appear for any number of times. It is not restricted up to 2 or 3. You can appear for any number of times. So thank you for watching my video. In the next part of the video, I am including the GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Introductory part. That is what all syllabus you have to cover, what all portions you have having more weightage, and those which are included in the next video. So watch all the videos, and if you like the session, please click the bell icon. And if you feel like somebody preparing for GATE examination, this topic is relevant or important to them, please do share with them. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye.